international school in Hanoi. If anybody has seen me talk before, you know that there's three basic things I talk about. One is the ubiquitous presence of cloud computing and the access of digital resources for education in the cloud. And also the fact that we have one-to-one access for students and teachers. That you have computers, tablets, phones that are all connected to the internet. That's not what I'm going to talk about today. This is what I'm going to talk about, the third leg of the stool, which is hybrid curriculum design. If you have unbelievably powerful universal digital tools at your disposal, if you have devices that are powerful and in the hands of students and teachers, how do you organize all of that? Take what Patrick was talking about and put that into a context. Now, this is a bit of a repetition of what he already said, but we do have these digital universes. This is an old slide that I've used. It's not adequate. There's other kinds of digital universes. Google Apps all by itself is a complete universe of applications. You can run an entire school. Patrick does that using Google Apps. You have all these online skill development systems in our school. Let me go through them. IXL, RazKids, Spelling City, Tumble Books. These are for younger kids. You just have Brain Pop. You have these, the list goes on and on that you can use. Your skill development tool. You've got your Google, all your social skills, your Twitter, your Google+, all these learning technologies that are available for kids. This is not an application. This is not a cool thing. This is a universe that you could sink your whole entire self into at one time. You've got video. I would say of all the universes, the video universe has become the most critical to our school. My wife downloads a YouTube video for preschool age kids every other day. All of our teachers use it. It's just great stuff. It's massive. TEDx, you name it. It's just video after video after video. Arky's video on, what have you made a video on? I don't know. But anyway, everybody makes a video. These are universes here. Then you've got e-books. One of my girls was studying the Renaissance, and she didn't have a book. I found a book on the Renaissance for 99 cents. I gifted it to her from Amazon. Boom. Done. If you're in the States, Amazon's got WhisperNet. You can buy all the textbooks you need for any course and any subject and just give them out to all the kids that they can download on their phones, on their reading devices, on their computers, whatever. So you just have, I'm talking about universe. We could have a brainstorm here and you guys could expand my universes by numbers. E-textbooks. Large states in the United States have said we are not going to buy a paper textbook after 2015 from any of you guys. Now, not all the textbooks, not all the online textbooks are good, but they're there. What have I got here? Visual thesaurus, all these online tools, dictionaries and so on. Anyway. Standardized tests. I love standardized tests online. You take them, and within minutes, the principals and the teachers know how the kids are doing. You know, LMSs, CMSs, all this stuff you can store. Each one of these is a digital universe. So the issue is, people like you and me are swimming in this universe. Patrick Green, he comes up. And he throws a whole bunch more stuff into it. It's hard to be not confused. What I'm going to be talking about today in my presentation is based on the TPAC model of Michigan State University. How in the world do you take these technologies, put them together, and form activities and projects that give you a chance? I'll unpack the whole thing. But it's like, how do we begin to move in a direction of orchestrating our digital universe in a way that could be useful for people learning and for teachers building a whole new sense of curriculum. Because we are, I use the word like at the beginning, the tipping point. We have reached an official tipping point where the structures of education are going to have to change. Now, I was uncomfortable with Patrick. He pushed me too hard. It was radical what he was saying, but very exciting at the same time. So how do we begin to do that? And I feel at the beginning of a conversation, not at the end of the conversation, but we've got to start. And what would this look like? I'm not given to speaking in 7-minute blocks. But I did pretty good.
Great job, Dave.
A sermon for you.